Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Mac User. And in this video we're going to go through the EPS preview that used to be in Catalina. At the time of this recording you can make this amendment and it will work on Ventura and below. I have tested it on a newer version of the operating system and it doesn't work. So let's get into it, shall we? So I'm in a Catalina machine and I've got some EPS tests that I've just downloaded from the internet. You can see the preview of the EPS and it's also file structure in other formats. If I flip over to anything above Catalina, so on this machine I'm running Monterey, you can see that the preview outline does not show on the program anymore. So let's get into how we can tweak the amendment of the operating system so that it will show the preview of the EPS file. So what you have to do is, if you go to computer, go to the hard drive, and then you need to go into systems, then library, and if you go to QuickLook, and then you need to locate the EPS generator, which is actually at the top of the list. So I've located the file and I'm just going to make a copy of it. So in the QuickLook folder I'm just going to drag and drop the file so that I've got a spare copy of it. If I open the package content and then I open the info P listing, and if I open that in text editor, it actually gives you the code, and the part of the code that you need, com.adobe.encapsulate-postscript. It's surrounded obviously by the string. So if you copy that one from Catalina and then paste it into your Monterey or Ventura operating systems P listing and save it, you should be good to go. If you go back into the root directory of the hard drive and then go to library and then go to QuickLook, and that's where the file needs to be placed into the newer version of the operating system. So let's flip over to a newer machine. So we're going to go with Monterey or Ventura. It will work on either one of them and see what we get. So in the machine that you're going to use, you need to go to the hard drive, system, and then library, and then you need to locate the QuickLook, and it's the Adobe generator that you need, or the QL generator. So that's the file that you actually need. So if we make a copy of it just in case it goes horribly wrong, and then if we open the package and we go into contents, it's the info P listing that you need, and you need to open that in editor. Inside editor you can see where the string verification is missing, and we need to add a new string to that file. So the string is taken from the Catalina version of the operating system, so you can do a cut and paste from there. So I take the string from Catalina and then I cut and paste it into Monterey, and then we save that file. Once I've done that, I'm just going to check that the actual file has saved, the info file has saved. So I'm just going to reopen the application just to make sure that that file has worked. And once I'm happy with that, that's the file that I'm now going to move into the folder. I've got the file. I go back into the drive, into library, and then into QuickLook, and I need to bring that file across into QuickLook. Once the file is placed into the folder, so into the QuickLook folder, I noticed on this particular video it didn't actually show you the preview instantly. So all I did was do a quick reboot, and then my preview was now working with the EPS file. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully you found that one of use. Look forward to seeing you on the next video, and as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.